incredible nature walk talk today. I'm standing on the rim of the Ramon crater in Mitzpe Ramon in the Negev in Israel. And as you can see, it's quite amazing. Tomorrow I'll go into the crater, but I wanted to, it's very windy. I wanted to share with you just this incredible vista and ask you to think about, as I am, the depth of concern that you may have, and to understand that it's probably having many layers. And if you look at this crater and the hundreds of thousands of years that it has been here, and the layers that have been uncovered. Sometimes when we think about issues in our lives, we only look at the surface, or we only look at the beginning. We don't look at the layers, and we don't peel away and try to understand. So that's the lesson of today's Nature Walk Talk. Thanks for joining me in the depth. Actually, tomorrow's the depth. Today is the rim of the crater. Bye for now.